So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I really want to talk about what has been going on with Jamaica's relay team and its selection. It has been going down on social media for the past 3 to 4 hours with the new selection of the 4x100 meter relay team for Jamaica, both men and women. So Taekwondo Tracy came out recently and had a lot to say about why and how the group selection for the relay team is picked, and he is making accusation that is because of favoritism. I'm gonna drop in what he had to say here.
Oh, go on, everybody. So, this is basically a video just to say my piece in a sense with what is going on here in Budapest for me, Taekwondo Tracy, and what I'm faced with at the moment. So, right now, based on what I know, I am officially off the 4x1. I won't be competing due to what I can say is favoritism due to this gentleman here, Maurice Wilson. He's, as some may know, the head coach of the team, and I'm being replaced by an athlete, which being replaced is not my major problem at the moment, is who and how I'm being replaced, right? I did my due diligence and got to the national championships and made sure I did what I needed to do to be selected for the team. I was selected. You can see the selection from J3 that was released. But I noticed something a bit off when we got to Budapest for the training camp. When we got there, there was an additional person. This person, no one knew of him being selected for the team.
The utterances of Taekwondo Tracy are libelous and defamatory. I have served my country for over 22 years at the national level, and I've been a public servant for 33 years working with youngsters. At no time did I have any form of altercation with Taekwondo Tracy.
Coming into a championship, she ran a blistering split of 9.90 seconds on the second leg to help Jamaica advance to the final on Friday. Jamaica won Shelley and Fraser Sully Forbes, forgive me if I'm pronouncing her name wrong, and Jackson. The 4x100 final is scheduled for 2:50 p.m. Jamaica time. Meanwhile, the men's team is on change with Akeem Blake, Oblique Seville, Raheem Forday, and Rohan Watson. The quartet ran a 37.68 seconds in their heat, placing second to the USA. The men's 4x100 final time. It has been said that Thompson Hera won't be running the 4x100, and I think that is crazy because she ran. I know they're gonna say they're putting them in there because they're the one that qualified in trials and they made the time for the 100 meter, and a lot of people are gonna say it's about synergy and passing the baton and make sure the baton flows. And I'm going to sit back and watch, because if they keep Thompson Hurrah out this lineup and also take out Brianna Williams, who ran and executed an amazing first leg yesterday, I don't know what's going to happen with this relay team. And they're definitely going to break the world record. If it is true that it's because of favoritism and that's why the senior team is doing what they're doing as far as selection, I'm sorry, they need to go. And even though the coach wants to threat or make threats about defamation, I think there is definitely some truth to what Taekwondo said. You guys saw the 4x4 mixed relays recently? Did you guys see it? It was horrendous. So obviously, whoever is picking these relay team have something going on. They're not picking the right individuals, because this is no way, shape, or form a relay team that's gonna get us gold. But I'm gonna sit back and relax and say this. I hope nothing is wrong with Elaine, and I hope she's not injured, and I hope everything is fine and she's feeling great. She showed out yesterday, and we see you, sis. You did the damn thing, and we're watching from a distance. But I think this is not going to be good. There won't be no any world record. There won't be no gold for us. We're probably going to get silver or bronze. And I'm not saying that Sasha Lee Forbes and Natasha Morrison are not great athletes. I watch them run. But are they competition for what the Americans have or up their sleeve? I absolutely do not think so at all. I can't wait to see Paris 2024, because I know Elaine is coming back for revenge. Okay? For revenge. Please remember that Elaine Thompson-Herah still have the world record for the 100 meters. Sha'Carri may be world champion for 2023, but Elaine Thompson's world record still stands. Okay? She has the fastest time. And, anyways, I'm going to end this video here. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Let's hope and pray this goes well.